Hi guys, in today's video we're going to take a look at page blocks inside of Thrive Themes. I'm Mike, and if you're new to this channel I'd appreciate you liking, commenting, subscribing, and if you find this video helpful and want to see more like it, then hit the notification bell, keep yourself updated. So page blocks inside of Thrive Themes is a faster way of building your own customized landing page. So let's jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly how you can do it. Okay guys, here we are inside my WordPress installation, and as you can see I have Thrive Architect loaded, and what I'm going to do is show you a page that I built for my subscribers from the page blocks. So this is a custom style landing page that I've built. So what I'm going to do is start a new page called page blocks, and we're going to go into the Thrive Architect editor. And you can probably see already I have a template loaded, but we're going to change that so that I can show you how to use these page blocks. So I'm coming down here to the right hand side with cloud, and I select that, and what we need is the smart landing pages, and at the moment the only smart landing pages with the page block feature are the ones with the 3 squares above them. So I'm going to expand this set and select a blank template and load the template up. Okay, so as you can see you've got add a page block. So we just click on the plus icon and we come through to a page with all the page blocks on this particular theme we've chosen. But also on the left hand side here you can see that we've got the option to choose by category. Call to action, you've got your call to action page blocks and all page blocks, and what I want is a header for this particular page, and I want something with a video on. So I'm going to select that, and as you see there we're loaded up, and underneath that I'm going to select another page block with a text, and we will go with, let me just have a look, scroll down. Okay, so I'm looking for a text block, and I can't actually see one that is jumping out at me at the moment, so I'm coming over to this left hand side here and click at the bottom where it says text content, and there's 5. So click on that and this comes straight up, so we'll select that one. Okay, so if we want to add another page block, and this time we will, let's come straight over to the left hand side and we'll search for a benefits and feature block, and let's go with this one. And as you can see, as I'm working down the page, I'm just building it with blocks from the library. And if I want to insert another block here, I can just come up here and select one in between these 2 blocks that I've already installed. And that's how easy it is to build a customized landing page from the page blocks. Let me just insert another one. We'll put below here page block and come over to the left hand side, and we will add a call to action, and let's put that one in. Okay, and it's that easy to keep building, but also because we're using the smart landing page feature, we can come over to this right hand side here and select from the default colours that are inside. So we click on this down arrow here, and quite easily we can also change. Let me just close that window out. We can also change the colour of the theme, and let's show you that again. And it's as simple as that. Let's put the red one on. Okay, and that changes the whole landing page. Close that window out, scroll down, and everything changes. That is an absolutely awesome feature inside of Thrive Architect. So you don't necessarily have to come through to their library, which is great, by the way. And don't forget, all Thrive themes along with the page blocks are designed for conversion. There's a reason why they use the colours that they do, and it's as simple as that. So again, I'm Mike from mikelucasonline.com. If you found this video helpful, don't forget, hit the notification button, keep yourself updated with future videos, and also check out the link in the description below and the first pinned comment to the blueprint that I'm using to take my affiliate marketing to the next level. So that's Mike. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.